Hello and welcome. Happy 2024 from me at Gilly Kube. This painting was done a little bit before Christmas because I have had a fair bit of time off with one thing and another, family, a little bit of health issues, and we've been away. So I sort of, this was one I did just before Christmas, so I thought I'd plonk it on here, let you see, and hopefully I will be back in full swing in my studio very soon. So this was a nice little, this ends up to be a nice little pieces, two pieces. It's the, oh gosh, what am I going now? So I'm going to be using all these beautiful teal and blue colours and creating a bit of kind of a botanical, I guess, look. So this was just wiggling those white and that beautiful, I think that was just a turquoise, but it looks more teal, doesn't it, than turquoise? So I can't remember now, but I didn't have the sound on at the time for whatever reason. I might not have wanted to talk, but this is what I did. As you see, I just squeezed the paint on there and I squizzled it, and now I'm tilting it. So I'll just jump in when I need to jump in, but you watch the magic happen, because I am super pumped. This piece turned out beautiful.
Driving, we just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. I got a little crush.
So those two little pieces look quite effective just on their own with two colours. So how easy can acrylic pouring of fluid art be? This is really quite simple, but can pack a punch and have some wonderful effects. So that is just the phthalo blue going on there, and then I'm just going to pile my colours in those like puddles. So that's my champagne gold that I make up myself, and it's 50% metallic gold, 50% silver, and it creates this absolutely wonderful, I call it champagne gold. It is really beautiful. So always adds a nice effect when you're using darker colours in with it, I find. So this is really quite simple and very minimalistic. So I'm just putting in a tiny bit of black there on top of that gold. I'm not sure if I even add any more colours to this. I'm sort of being reminded as I'm watching it back myself. So I think at this point I'm going to leave it at those colours, and I now head for my little straw, which is just a stainless steel straw with that silicone bendy bit. It is a drinking straw, and I got those from the discount shop, but I do think I have a link in my underneath this video in my description in my Amazon store for those bendy straws, and they're great because you can wash them, you can even put them in the dishwasher. So it's just blowing your flowers out, just a different way to create a botanical effect other than my balloon. But look how beautiful those are coming, just so easy. you know, really looks to other people as though you're a fine artist that have painted those flowers in.
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house.
So yes, just doing some little embellishments there. That's just a little skewer, so it's sort of just squiggling through the lines. And now I'll get, it's just a normal size balloon with a little bit of water in it to give it a bit of weight. And then I just want to push that in the center, look, and it gives it that really nice effect, like the petals on the inside. It just finishes it off a little bit nicer, I think. I'm super happy with this, very minimalistic, super easy. Definitely could be a beginner's pour, and then when you get results like this, it really does encourage you to push on. So there you go, my lovelies. I will bring you down and give you a close-up view of those.
About you, on the highway.
I do absolutely love this style, just doing a very basic two-colour dribbly background and then, you know, jazzing it up with some really colours that make the background pop. I think I'll let it dry off a little bit and then I might just kiss the balloon into that one more time to sort of, more than anything, maybe to soak up some of the wet paint. But those are a gorgeous little gift. Instead of giving a Christmas card, give a nice little canvas that they can put up on one of those little stands. They're really pretty. Or you could put the two of those into a little picture frame. No worries, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you're not getting too stressed with all the Christmas things going on. Enjoy, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.
No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.